Alright guys, check this out. The Lian DK-05F and DK-05FX. These things are insane. We're not just talking about a PC case. We're talking about a desk. A desk that's also a fully functional, ridiculously cool PC case. I mean, how awesome is that? You're sitting at your desk working, gaming, whatever, and your entire system is right there beneath a sheet of tempered glass. Now, the DK-05F is the original, and the DK-05FX is the updated version. The FX has a few key improvements, like USB-C ports on the front, which is a must-have these days. Both models have electronically adjustable height, so you can switch from sitting to standing in seconds. Seriously, it's like something out of a sci-fi movie. You press a button, and the desk smoothly rises or lowers. It's incredibly satisfying. And the build quality? Classic Lian. It's premium all the way. Aluminum construction, tempered glass top, everything feels solid and well-made. You can tell they put a lot of thought into the design. There's tons of space inside for even the most ambitious builds. Multiple radiators, EATX motherboards, you name it. Cable management is a breeze too, with plenty of channels and tie-down points to keep everything neat and tidy. One of the coolest features, in my opinion, is the adjustable GPU mount. You can actually show off your graphics card vertically, which looks absolutely stunning through the glass top. Plus, they've included built-in RGB lighting, which you can customize to match your setup. It adds a really nice touch. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. These desks are not cheap. They're a serious investment, but you're getting a lot for your money. You're getting a desk, a premium PC case, and a serious statement piece all in one. If you're looking for something truly unique and you're willing to pay for it, the DK-05F or DK-05FX might be the ultimate desk PC case. One thing to consider is the size. These desks are big. Make sure you have enough space in your room before you buy one. Also, the glass top, while beautiful, can be a fingerprint magnet. Keep a microfiber cloth handy. But honestly, those are minor nitpicks. Overall, I'm blown away by these desks. They're incredibly well designed, packed with features, and they look absolutely amazing. If you're looking to upgrade your setup and make a statement, definitely check out the Lian DK-05F or DK-05FX. You won't be disappointed. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.